Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a really short what's in my bag video. As you can see in front of you, you have this pink color, rose azure. If I'm not wrong, that's the color. And the mini clutch in the smooth leather. This is a very smooth leather, super soft, super smooth, and I can imagine that if this color were to be done on the epsom leather, maybe it will look a little stiff, may not match the color and the gold hardware. Because for me, I think that this color is very subtle, very sweet, very feminine, so you need a really soft leather to match and go along with the rest of the combination. You look at this sweet pink, you look at this beautiful gold hardware, so I think a soft leather will be really suitable. And you look at the side, it's really well made. It does not look so stiff like the epsom leather, so this is like the perfect combination for this leather. On top of that, I tied the twiller, and how I chose this twiller is from the help of my essay. So her justification is that you actually need something, a pink that is really close to the leather, and of course you need a striking blue that contrasts against the pink, so when everything is put together it will look really beautiful and elegant. Take a look at that. And when this becomes a strap, oh, it is the perfect combination. This is the side. So this is what I brought out today. And let's take a look at what's inside my bag. And I must first let you know, you can't really fit a lot in this bag because the side of it, as you can see, it is merely only about 5 centimeter, 1 2 3 4, maybe 4 cm, 4 cm to 5 cm. You can't really fit a lot. So let's go into the what's in my bag video. The first item I have is actually my lipstick. It's from Givenchy. It's the mini size. Of course, a mini bag, you must have a mini size lipstick to go along and match. So here is the lipstick, and probably I should do a swap for you. You can see on bare hands, extremely creamy and smooth. I would say this is smoother than Chanel lipstick for sure, and I think it's as smooth as maybe Guerlain lipstick, because Guerlain lipstick is also very smooth. Chanel, not really. So I would say Givenchy's lipstick is as smooth as Guerlain. So you can try Givenchy's lipstick. I think it's not bad, it's pretty good. So this is the color on bare skin. Don't you think it looks good and it goes along with this bag? Beautiful, isn't it? This color lipstick is really good. So this is Givenchy mini size lipstick to match the bag. And of course I have this. I treat it as my wallet. You see, it's a very small bag. This, I'm not sure if I should go through the content, but probably not. As you can tell, I have some cards here, and I also put cash inside, just in case you need cash to buy some of the things. And what else do I have inside? Credit card, driver's license, what else? Cash, no coins for sure. I do not have any coins here. And yeah, that's about it. I don't think I can fit much in that bag, so I use this because I really need to fit quite a lot of things. As you can see, it's pretty thick, so the pouch that contains all of them has to be as thin and as soft as possible. And I think this dust bag is the perfect one because my bag is pretty soft in leather, and I thought it can protect the bag's interior because it is so soft. It's basically, you know, it's impossible to scratch the bag. So this is what I have. And the next one I have is actually my hand sanitizer. So you just spray it and you can sanitize your hand. A compulsory item to have. You can see the size. One small little bottle like this already takes up more than half of the space. Can you imagine the size of the bag? And of course, last but not least, that's all I have in the bag. Last but not least is of course this cute little dental floss. Very important to keep your teeth clean. As you can see, it's half the size of this bottle. It's so small. Everything you fit in this bag has to be mini small size. And that's all I have for this bag. No more. That's all you can fit here. If you notice, I didn't even have my makeup pouch here because you simply can't fit any makeup pouch. Probably a mini lipstick and maybe a eyeliner, a flat comb, maybe a flat mirror, but that will really fill up the space. And you don't want it to be so full that in order to take out something, you got to take everything out or pour everything out in order to retrieve just one item. So for me, if it is not compulsory to take a makeup pouch, just put the essential item inside. The reason why I chose a lipstick is because after a meal, you can retouch up your lipstick. You know, if I bring eyeliner, mascara, etc., I do not think I need to reapply them after a meal, after a dinner. So I do not think that they are extremely essential for me today. So a lipstick will do. And there you go, guys. This is what I have in my little clutch. Bye, guys.